You're gonna love the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, alarm. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.